Good morning. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while that I haven't vlog or record anything, so welcome back to a cute and productive vlog. Even though I don't know what is in the itinerary for today. Today is Monday, so we are going strong with full spirit to make this Monday worthwhile. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and do that. I know you are gonna enjoy your time in here. Coming back to the video, as you all have seen that I just woken up and did my morning rituals, but the one thing that is still left is to figure out what for the breakfast and fix myself a nice breakfast. We have some fruit in here, so I'm just planning to do that. And also, if you're from Indore, then just tell me what is happening to the weather. एकदम से इतनी गर्मी आ गई that I can't even walk in the morning as well. So I think fruit is the best option. So let's go and help me fix my breakfast and then I'll see you. Here are the fruit. Let me go wash it up and then chop.
ਪੈਸੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦੇ ਦੇ ਦੂੰਗੀ ਮੈਚਿੰਗ ਕਰ ਦੇਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਗੱਡੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਪੰਗੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਆ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸੋਚਦੀ ਫਿਕਾਰਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਫਿੱਟ ਮੈਂ ਘਰ ਦੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਦੇ
This is how my breakfast actually looks like. Super colorful. I love the color palette going on here, especially my plate. And with this plate, I also have salt here with me. I don't know if it's just me or I'm weird, but I love to sprinkle some salt on my fruits. I'm gonna let this salt sink in for a while. उसी के साथ साथ I am a person who loves to multitask. So we're gonna make a to-do list. As I mentioned, I don't know what to do with this day. I told you all. नमक डालने के बाद इसका टेस्ट एकदम अच्छा हो गया. Now let me go enjoy this breakfast and make myself to-do list and then I'll see you. It's been a while after the breakfast and I'm almost done with my to-do list. Today's list is not that hectic, but I am pretty sure that I'll find something to just burst my head open. Since yesterday for my shoot, I have applied some hair stick, so now my hair is super greasy. So I'm planning to do everything sharp today. That also includes my skincare plus hair care. I have to catch up on social media. Like it's been a while that I haven't catch up on that and reply to some mails, and I cannot procrastinate. Then there are few shoots that again I have been procrastinating. I just couldn't find a proper or a perfect day for that, so today is the day. And I'm also planning in the evening I will go to a cafe. I prefer cafes to be very quiet and the places where I can do my all the brainstorming and work. Now that the to-do list is all made, let me go and apply some oil on my scalp so that it will just sink in for some moment and move on to another task. Recently for my hair care routine, I have added one more product, that is this Andy Weil Chumpy Hair Oil. You have already seen me blabbering about this in my monthly news series and I've already used it, so you know my reviews. Literally enjoy using this on my scalp. So if you are someone looking to add a perfect product in your hair care routine, then do give this one a shot. I am done with my hair care routine and oh my god, it was super relaxing that I just feel my hair has eaten something. Now that the task is all done, let's move on to other tasks because I do not want to procrastinate anything. I just want to tick off every boxes in my to-do list. The skincare is left, but I'm planning to do it after taking all shower. But let me go fix my clothes as well because there are few clothes that I need to shoot and just figure it out what to wear in what reel. And then I think I'm gonna catch up on social media. Also guys, I just realized that today only I was complaining about the hot weather, but right now it's looking super pleasant. I am feeling super glad that I'm doing it right now because I don't know, every time I do something productive or do something that I really want to, it just heals a part of me. I feel that. So yeah, the clothes are ready there. I just need to wear them and record. But before that, as I've mentioned, I need to do a lot of catch up. This is my new laptop. I haven't figured it out all the features of it, but I'm pretty sure that I will somehow get there. I'm still a noob. This is my first ever laptop. The laptop that you have been seeing me using was my sister's, and she is really into this codings and IT. So she has her own laptop. This is my first ever laptop. I have no words. I have no words to explain this feeling. I don't know why I'm always so excited to use my laptop. Is it a new thing? That's why I'm feeling all these jitters, or that I'm also planning to do some scripting and all. I have some leftovers. You know, recently I have visited, or I have done a collab with Jiva, the silver and gold brand. My experience was pretty nice. I still need to edit the video and send it for the approval. That, oh my god, I also forgot it. I also need to do today only. Guys, it took me even more time than I expected, but I finally did it. I was this close of just doom scrolling Instagram. The whole work was so piled up. I was getting super bored, but I am glad I did it. Lately, I've been doing all this procrastination. Even though I'm not that person, I know that. I know pretty clear and loud I'm not a person who procrastinates, but the things are all piled up, and it was such a mess. But yeah, enough of that. Now that I'm done with all this social media thing, I just quickly want to hop into shower because I feel super yucky. I was back from my long, nice shower. It was super relaxing. I feel like I am a new person. जैसा कि वो snakes होते हैं ना, अपने skin change करते हैं. I feel like that. As you all can see, my face look very white. So we need to take care of this. And this is just the right time when I need to do my skincare. I don't believe in those 10 and 20 step skincare routine. Like, that's not how I think my skin will work and I will like it. I think skincare भले कम हो but effective होना चाहिए. First thing first, I'm using this Plum Rice Water Niacinamide Toner. I love it. Even my sister also love it. Just because I'm still not over my hydrating toner phase, I am again using a toner that is by Face Skin Hydra Milk. I can literally feel it going into my skin and just nourishing it. As much as I hate to admit this, but summers are here and sunscreen is a real thing. I'm using Wishcare Vitamin C Pure Glow Milk Sunscreen. Even though I'm not planning to go out in this garmi, but still, I'm using it. You all saw, right? By far all the product that I have been using is all runny and with milky consistency. This is how much minimal skincare I believe in. Now for the moisturizer part, I'm using my recent addition in my skincare routine. That is by CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. Lastly, I'm going ahead with a chapstick. I don't know the name of this brand, but I'm loving it. It's not over yet. That was all about my face, but for the body, I am using this Plum Body Loving Lily Miss Sunshine. This was sitting in my wish list for a very long time. The moment they guys just launched it, I was like, I know this is gonna be my vibe. This body lotion doesn't disappoint. It just worth every single penny of mine. Whenever I just apply this on my body, I feel like summers are here, like good part of summer. Again from Plum Body Loving, I'm using this roll-on. I love it. My skincare is all done. Let me quickly give you all an outfit check. I think you guys will be fine from here. This is how I am looking. I'm wearing this short kurti. I love the print of it. My sister gifted me when we were on a trip to Udaipur. I love it. And then this lower, this is my sister's lower. I just stole it from her because I love how it feels against my skin. And these, I don't know what to call it, this slipper. My mom got me this from Nepal. These are the best option for winter. I know this is summer, it doesn't make any sense, but I'm now habitual of it. And lastly, this claw clips, because a girl can use a claw clip anytime. Guys, I really thought it was almost 12 p.m., but it's only 11. Like, I know I'm killing it. We are way ahead of our time, but let's just not waste it. Let's make this Monday even more productive. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just straight up going to shoot, and then if I'll feel hungry, then I'll order something or ask my mom to bring some food here. Hi, checking up on you all after a while. This is look number 1. I thought ये बहुत ही simple होने वाला है recreate करने में when I saw this on Pinterest, but no, it just took a while. I don't know what. But I love my makeup and especially this scarf. Let me know in the comments how you like it. I'll see you after my second look. Bye. Hi, it's me again. I thought I can record one more reel and make this one a transition because I'm a Wonder Woman, but I think my storage doesn't think that way. And it's okay, मैं आज vlog भी कर रही हूँ, so I need to just मेरे storage के ज़्यादा छेड़छाड़ी नहीं करना है मुझे. So it's already cross 1 p.m. and I'm super hungry. I haven't had anything after those fruits, so yeah, let's order something. जब खाना आ रहा होगा तब तक I can just wash this off and clean my space a bit, and then उसके बाद देखते हैं what are we doing. Food is ordered, I wash my face. Now comes to the boring part. I need to clear the mess that I've created while recording. But ठीक है, I think I would love to have my lunch in peace rather than having or worrying about कि खाना खाने के बाद मुझे सब चीज़ें साफ करना है. And I don't know why, but I feel like taking a break and watching a movie. I don't know. आज इतना प्यारा मौसम हो रहा है. It's not even sunny. It's just gloomy. I cannot like see sun at all. So yeah, it's a movie time. Before the fun part, I need to clear this mess. So action mode is on. My food is here, but I'm prioritizing my hair because इतना conditioner and shampoo करने का कोई मतलब नहीं अगर मैंने कोई serum use नहीं करा. And for the final step of my hair care routine, I'm using this L'Oreal Total Repair hair serum. I used to use it पहले भी जब मैं school में थी, and then I just switched to this Live On and Tresemme, but now I think I just need to get back to my roots. How does it goes? Now that's what I call good hair day. This is how my lunch plate actually looks like. 3 chapati, onion and lemon, and my favorite Nafis K dried chili chicken. If you're also non-vegetarian just like me, then do give chili chicken by Nafis a try. Along with that, I am watching a movie on my laptop.
And your new intern.
Just for me to set an example.
Hey guys, I know I am checking up on you all after quite many hours. I watched the movie The Intern, and to be honest, I was expecting that the movie will deliver some good fashion moments, but it did not. I just misread the description of it. But anyways, I love movies with happy endings, so it works. After the movie, I just completely dozed off, slept like a baby, and woke up 2 hours later. And now I'm hungry again. I need something in my system, like any coffee or matcha will work. I washed my face. You all can see my face is still a little wet. And then I went to some shop, got myself ice and milk to make myself matcha, and then we'll head back to the cafe and work. Now, please don't expect a good matcha recipe from me because I'm also making this for third or fourth time. But yeah, I love how I make it. I'm using, first of all, this matcha green tea culinary grade powder that I got from Amazon. As a sweetener, I'm using this honey and milk and ice as usual, nothing fancy. Also, one more thing, apart from this matcha powder, I have no other tools or things to make proper matcha, like those whisk and spoon. I just make it my way, so don't expect a lot from me. If you still want an aesthetic matcha recipe, just check out my shorts. I've already uploaded there. Moment of truth is finally here. I have prepared the matcha shot, right? I just need to add milk and then just whisk it and it will be ready. This is how the color actually looks. Just wait for me to stir it. It sure tastes like very green and earthy, but I find calm in it. I don't know why. Pretty good job. Now that my matcha is all ready, let me go change into something nice and comfy and head out for the cafe. I know it may sound weird to you, but लोग cafe जाके coffee पीते हैं and I'm like पहले coffee and then cafe. This is actually how I'm looking. Just please ignore the mirror. I know it is in very bad condition, but still let me give you an outfit check. This is the sweatshirt that I'm wearing because I know I'm gonna feel a lot of chills and all those ACs. Then after a while I have got a good pair of jeans from Off Duty, so this is what I'm wearing, super comfy. And in my footwear I'm wearing again Zudio. This is a bag that I got from Savannah for my laptop. It has my laptop and all the essential, but to be very honest, इसमें भी मेरी सारी चीज़ें नहीं आ पाती. I am gonna take my charger and water bottle and other essential thing मेरी गाड़ी के डिक्की में. Just please suggest me good quality of laptop bags because I really need it. Now that my bug is all done, let me go. Bye.